Yo, what's up amigos, your boy Alex here. Today I'm going to be doing another video for you guys on hurricane survival, day 3, part 1 at daytime. Well, right now it's about to be, the sun is setting, and for right now I'm about to head over to a friend of my mom's house, and also, the neighborhood has not been cleaned up yet, but hopefully they will, but just not right away. But I'm really hoping that they will. Eventually, they will get it done. Just, I don't want these branches staying here too long. And I still have no power in my house whatsoever, but I am doing pretty well so far. Just threw out all the melted away resources because they got gross, so therefore I'm just, although I might have to stick with the ones that I do have there and a little bit soggy, and the ones that are not melted. So yeah, it's still humid out as always, and I am so damn sweaty right now a little bit, and I just got home from work, and my legs are a little bit tired. And I hope you guys are doing okay as well, and I just really hope that the power comes back anytime soon. Alright? Well, I'm gonna take my shutters down soon, just not right away. And I don't get what's with that awful smell. Ugh. It's probably the sewer water from the raw sewage. Luckily there's no sinkholes here, which we're lucky about. And also, I also heard that there was a tornado in Lion Country Safari somewhere, which I'm glad I was not around on. But here's the progress that I've done so far with the branches, alright? I only cleaned up the ones on my lawn. Yeah, and everyone else just cleaned up theirs. So therefore, I'm just putting on my shades so that I can look cool and so the sun stays out of my eyes. My eyes! No, I'm kidding. And so, hopefully I might get paid sometime soon, but just not right away, because it takes time. You have to work really hard to earn it. So therefore, my progress on my survival of the hurricane is doing pretty well. Usually a hurricane only lasts for 1 day, which is pretty neat. But although I'm gonna have to make this video short because I'm gonna be leaving soon, so therefore I hope you so therefore I'm gonna have to go now, but I'm gonna have to wrap it up for right now. So, and if you guys enjoyed this video on my progress, then please leave a comment on the comment section below, and please leave a like and a subscribe, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, amigos. See you guys tonight around 8:30.